Let's learn how to make this mac and cheese. The ingredients you will need are 8 ounces of macaroni, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and salt, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 2 cups of milk, and 2 cups of grated sharp cheddar cheese. First, you're going to cook your macaroni. While that is cooking in a separate pot, mix together your butter, flour, salt, pepper, and mustard powder. Stir on low heat until the mixture is bubbly. Then add your milk. Stir on medium heat until it simmers. Then turn the heat back to low and add in your cheese. Once it is thoroughly combined, turn off the heat. Now you're going to drain your macaroni. Lastly, add in your macaroni into the cheese. And that's it. Now you have the simple and delicious mac and cheese.